Fujifilm introduced the X100V camera over 3 years ago, and surprisingly, it's still quite challenging to get your hands on one today. Most camera retailers are consistently sold out, leaving potential buyers facing months of waiting. The demand for the Fujifilm X100V has remained remarkably high. Now, the successor to the X100V is in the works, but don't expect it to hit the shelves anytime soon. It's scheduled for release in 2024, while the camera's official name hasn't been disclosed yet. It belongs to the 6th generation of the XS100 series cameras. However, there are rumors circulating that it might be named the Fujifilm X100Z. This news confirms previously leaked information about the camera's specifications, which were previously unconfirmed. But if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell icon for more tech content. The next X100 camera is expected to feature a new lens. Although specific details are currently unavailable, one significant drawback of the X100 series has been the absence of image stabilization, which is a common feature in cameras. Image stabilization can be achieved either through in-body or in-lens mechanisms. In the case of the X100 series, which boasts fixed lenses, in-body stabilization is not necessary since each lens can have its stabilization built in. Some other fixed lens cameras, such as the Sony RX100 series, Leica, and Panasonic Deluxe series, have in-lens stabilization, which helps maintain their compact size. Despite user requests for stabilization in the X100 series, Fujifilm has consistently chosen not to incorporate this feature. If Fujifilm eventually introduces stabilization to the X100 series, it may not be met with great excitement, but rather seen as a long overdue and somewhat regrettable decision. As mentioned earlier, Fujifilm's X100V camera has enjoyed tremendous success, evident from its strong sales and the lengthy waitlist it has generated. However, this achievement has brought about some challenges for the Japanese camera company. The X100V continues to experience consistently high demand, resulting in significant delays in shipping, which persist even after its initial launch. The backlog has become so critical that B&H Photo has temporarily halted the acceptance of X100V orders until further updates are available. Fujifilm has faced difficulties due to a shortage of essential components, particularly semiconductors. This scarcity has had adverse effects on the production of camera bodies and lenses. It's worth noting that the semiconductor shortages primarily affect the production of processors and integrated circuits, rather than sensor manufacturing. This distinction may explain why customers purchasing the XT5 camera model haven't encountered similar delays. The impact of the pandemic on the industry over the past few years may also be a contributing factor to the delayed announcement of the new X100 camera. In addition to the existing supply chain challenges with the current generation cameras, hopefully, Fujifilm will resolve this production issue soon, and we can anticipate the successor to the X100V within the first quarter of 2024. What are your thoughts on this? Please share your opinions in the comments section. And as always, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest tech news.